Hi guys, you're welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to generate a free text to video on Canva when you are designing. So let's get started. And I'm going to open my Canva. Once you open your Canva, the next thing you're going to do is click on the project you want to design. And after your project is being loaded, or you continue, or you are in the middle of the project, you now need a short video. It is very simple. You don't need to go out of your Canva to get it. Just come to your text. Once you click on your text, click on let's do this. Click on your element. When you click on your element, here click on generate your own, and when you click on generate your own, you're going to put the text here. Okay, said a boy, for example. I want to say a child dancing on a pathway. Once you do that, click on video, you can see, and click on generate video. It is going to generate for us very fast now, so you don't need to go out of your Canva when you're designing. You need a short video to enhance your video, or to give more value to you, to more creative. You don't need to go outside. Just go through there, click on it, put your text, and click on video. Then you're going to generate your video. Let's wait a little for our video to generate finish, and you're going to see the amazing of the AI video text to video generator. So let's wait for a little for it. Okay, sorry guys, it only remains, so it's almost done. Okay, sorry guys, we made a little too done. I want to show you how it looks like. You'll see it is very easy through AI to do a lot of things now. You use AI to get your text to free image, text to free video, very easy. Oh, I think it's almost done. Sorry guys, I'm just going to wait for it to be done. So guys, it's taking a little. So once it is done, it's going to show up here. Once it show up here, just click on it. So once it's done, just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to add it to your project instantly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys.